Hi everyone, in front of me I've got KODAK K12 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and localize wallpaper and style. So right here we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen. So let me go to the home screen as we would like to change the wallpaper and then tap on change wallpaper right here. So we've been transferred to albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So here we've got my photos, so you can open your own gallery and choose your photo and set it as a wallpaper, or here on device wallpapers which are pre-installed on this device. So let me tap on it and choose something from those options. As you can see, we've got 9 different wallpapers and they are quite nice. So basically all you have to do is to tap on the wallpaper to show the preview. Here we've got the home screen and lock screen, and if you wish you can tap to edit the photo, so we can adjust the position, scale and angle, so we can zoom it in, we can kind of zoom it out, and we can adjust the position of it, so you can do it if you wish, and tap on the tick icon to confirm everything. So the same of course here on the lock screen. If you're happy with the results, just tap on set wallpaper in the right upper corner, and now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, a home screen, or both. I think I will mark both options, so I will set it on the lock screen and home screen. So just tap on set to confirm. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.